Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you the specifications of our Android board. These two are USB ports for touchscreen, mouse, camera, etc. And the SIM card slot is located at the back of the hair. This is the LAN port. We recommend it if you want to have a better network signal. This is the power supply for the Android board. These two parts are used to connect the screen. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. This is for connecting the horn. This is an RS-R3R serial port SAN for card reader. This is RS-R3R serial port E for connecting the motor board to the energy board. When the Android board is working properly, the lights in 3 colors blink alternately. And these two also are USB port. The scanner or the printer can be connected here. This is a 4G communication module. That's all. If you have any questions, please contact us.